Yun na?
Hindi.
Akin
Isa
ulit?
na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ah, sige, sa akin. Di ba start again?
Yung no eh.
No.
No! You can't do this to me! I was respected here!
What? You can tell that to us. We are your boss. We can do anything. And one more thing. Respect isn't taken. It should be earned. Putang ina.
Ingay!
Ganda na ng birthday. Galing mo.
Ready?
Okay.
Ay, ulit.
Go.
Ulit. No! You can't do this to me! I was respected here!
What? Who are you to tell us what to do? We are your boss. Remember? And one more thing. Respect. You should know by now. Respect isn't that taken. That should be earned. And you didn't earn it.
You, even me, or us, as your coworker.
Tingnan mo yun.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yes, ma'am. I agree. Even us.
Huwag pansin.
Sorry! Everlas!
Evelas. Uy, dalawang sentence, dalawang ano yung word dyan.
Okay.
Huwag mong pagduktungin.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Yes, ma'am. I agree. How dare you? You such a stupid person, even as your coworker. You didn't respect us, and you will never gain my respect. You're not deserving.
Security! Security!
Security,
Security!
make her far, far away.
Bring it outside.
You will regret this, Virgo! You're a spoiled brat!
And you're just a bully who doesn't have any power here. Go.
And one more thing. Will payak. Ba? Iba sa babat pa kasi. And one more thing.
Ready?
And one more thing, Eden. We'll file a case against you.
What? How dare you all
Bring it outside.
bring here?
Bring
Bring it down.
outside.
Bring it! Got it! Her! Bring her!
Bring it on.
Take her away. Ano ba yung mas iba doon?
Bring her!
You
Take her
deserve
outside!
it.
Security.
Take her out!
Take her out.
1, 2, 3, go.
Security. Take her out.
Let's go! Go to the barracks!
Binabasa.
Nakakasuot man, parang na.
Pa, alam mo parang mabilis? Huwag ka na magsalita. Okay, wala lang.
Let's go na.
Oh, let's go.
Ikaw ta. Tusyo ka, okay?
Okay.
Take her now.
Let's go!
Don't touch me! I can walk on my own feet!
So much stupid. Look like an ugly man. Person. Mom. We feel so overwhelmed after all because you enter our company as a janitress, but in other words you are the owner and the daughter of the CEO. Oh my gosh.
Excuse me, sir. Kiss your daughter. Hindi ko na yan!
Mag-a-adlib ka pa! Hindi! Puro sumuyat to! Puro sumuyat! Puro sumuyat! Mag-a-adlib ka pa!
Excuse me, sir. Are you kidding me? Kiss your daughter?
Sir, you're kidding aside.
No. I'm telling the truth.
Truth.
Ano? May pisa dito!
Barok na barok ako.
Sige natin to! Huwag na naman na tayo sa ibang magbibihis pa.
Okay.
Sige.
9:26.
Dito ano ba yung teka?
Basta kasi papapalahin mo ako. Bagay sa akin.
Alis.
Bagay sa akin na naka-janet. Pero bas bagay sa akin ang outfit ko nga.
Dahil kailangan namin lumabas doon dahil wala ka lang mag-uusap doon.
Hindi. Nandiyan din si Marimar. Tapusin natin dito.
Wala labas na ako. Bastusan na yan eh. Hinaharap ako.
Okay, sige.
Excuse me.
Tayo na lang. Basta end natin sa,
So,
paayos na lahat.
So, I have meeting to do.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Quiet.
Kaya lang, Eden yung lapel mo nandito?
So,
I will handle you everything in this company. You take the
well,
decision. position now.
So,
My
my beautiful daughter,
Game.
Yes, right, sir.
you're the, ano yun?
CEO now. of
You're
this
the CEO
company.
now, so take in charge.
Yeah.
And I will go somewhere else.
So
I have a
going?
meeting to do.
It's time
Okay,
for
I'll
me
take
now
it.
to rest.
So that-
You know,
yeah.
to go travel.
Sabi mo
Yes.
na natin.
Rest in
Yeah.
peace.
Yeah.
Rest in peace.
Like later, I have traveled for Singapore.
Enjoy, rest in peace.
Travel to Singapore, so you take in charge. Yan na, game.
I need to go to Singapore to buy kwek-kwek.
You want to go?
Yeah.
Di mo kinag kanina, sis? Putang ina.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Game.
Naka-play yan?
Para madala na request na edit niya na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
So, Miss CEO, so you're the in charge now.
Hindi mo sinagot yung ano? I-alim na yan.
Ano?
Sa ano ko?
Hindi, isasama natin yan. Hindi naman talaga sasagot dun.
Ah, sige.
Okay.
So, Miss CEO, you're the in charge now here. So, now I can do my own thing, like travel, fishing, you know.
Oh,
I love fishing too.
So, sana magdagdag.
You want to
Ano ba?
action? Tangin mo gagawin. Balang.
Hindi kita makita.
3, 4, 5.
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
3, go.
So, Miss CEO,
Yes, Dad.
so now that you're in charge here in our company, so I can do my thing now.
Yes, sir.
Uy, wala na English yun. Tama yun.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Ako na. Oh, Dad, yes. I remember you have travel today, right?
Yeah. So, I will go ahead, guys. Take
Okay.
your time and
And go ahead.
enjoy.
Sir, don't forget the present, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Shoot away. Sir. Stay safe and stay put.
You know, you're funny.
Oh, funny, ugly. Ugly. Oy!
Akin, wag lalabas!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Tapusin na natin ito dito.
Yeah,
Tapusin
okay.
na natin dito.
By man, by the way, I would like something to tell you.
What's that?
Ah, in English world, Charles, Charles would have something to confess to you.
To confess to?
Yes, do it, do it, just do it. Don't be shy.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I think you... Ano ba yung sabi ng last?
Wala talaga ito!
Kasi
Wala
last...
na lang tulad.
Sige.
Magulitan yun. Then,
Ano sabi ko bago yung ano? Jetros?
you look good in...
Okay.
You look good in your manager's
You're nice
uniform,
in
but
that
you look
dress.
perfect in your outfit today. Yun, gano'n na lang.
Your dress is...
Then,
Okay. Ma'am,
yes.
you look good. You look good. You look good in Janto.
On your janitor's
Ah.
uniform, but you look perfect today.
Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, you look good on janitor. Ano?
Di mo matapos.
Janitor?
Uniform!
Janitor.
Game.
Actually, ma'am. You look good on janitor uniform, but
Okay. So, you mean...
Mom, she mean that you look good.
Ano ginagawa?
Okay.
Di ba guys, di ko?
Okay.
Ulat, game. Okay, ako na sa akin.
Okay.
Madali ko. Okay. So now that I'm in charge in this company, I want you to hire someone who will replace Miss Eden. And please, hire someone with good attitude and good background, okay?
Yes, Mom. Mom, I have something to go.
Ma'am. Anyway,
Yes.
you know what? You're so mundo kasi.
What he trying to say, ma'am, is she confessed to me that
She?
yeah, I'm so sorry, ma'am. I forgot the word. He confessed to me regarding her feelings to you.
Oh,
Don't you? Yes. He said that when you enter, when you are wearing in a janitor uniform,
yes.
you're such a beautiful lady, like ladies and gentlemen. but look, when you enter as a daughter of the CEO, you're such a look like a queen, and her eyes is sparkling.
Her eyes.
Her eyes. Mom, don't just be bothered our pronunciation, but we're trying our best to communicate because we are regardless the daughter.
You know, it's fine. You're really fun.
Yes, mom. Fun.
No, ulo tawa lang yan. Kat!
Huwag na lang kayo magsalita.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Ako na from me. Ano tayo?
Next.
Game. You know what? It's fine. I really think that you are so funny. That's why this company loves you.
Thank you, mom. I love the company too. Not just 2, but 3, 4, and 5.
Okay.
Game. Ano tayo?
Mom. Seriously. I like you.
You know what? Thank you. But we just met and I want to see how you perform in the company first.
Ay, ma'am. He performed well. And don't you know that she's...
He's...
And ma'am, don't you know that here in our company, he is so very generous, smart, and kind. And I would like to say that you're doing well when you both together.
What? We are doing well?
Yes.
You mean we look good together?
Capable na.
What?
Okay, so thank you. But first, I want to get to know you first. The both of you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Kaya mo na thank you. Wala ka sinabi. Bobo! Ikaw muna sinabi mo. Okay, wala kayo.
Yeah. I really appreciate that. And I think that you look good too.
Ay, ma'am. I am so conscious with you, ha?
Hi.
I think you love at first sight with Sir Charles. But mom, literally and unfortunately, I love to work with you as our CEO here in our company.
Thank you so much, and I would love to work with the both of you.
Thank
So
you.
I am expecting that there will be no other Miss Eden here in this company. Okay?
No, ma'am.
So I will treat the both of you. Let's go outside, and I will treat dinner.
Ma'am, I would...
He said to me, Wala, sabi ko sana, aalis eh.
You have the date with Lando, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Pause, to go. Okay.
Nanonood si Director.
Okay, 1, 3, go.
Okay. Okay. From unit, 1, 2, 3, go. So I'm expecting the both of you to perform well here in this company, and there will be no other Miss Eden. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. By the way, ma'am, I would like to have this opportunity for the both of you, so may I leave for a while? I will go back soon as possible.
Hi.
Because ma'am, she update to Lando, right?
Yes! Yes, ma'am. I'm finally engaged with Lando, but I don't have no ring because my ring is entering my stomach.
You need the ring. Okay.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your time once again. Charles, take care of our bus.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you want something or you want coffee?
You know what? Let's just have a coffee outside. My treat.
No, ma'am. Ano ba yun?
My treat!
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
No, ma'am. My cream.
Oh my God! Pero hindi na namin ginawa yung link 5. Hindi ba kaya? Tinapos na lang namin dito. Hindi talaga kaya.
Puta, kailang yan. Hirap mag-adit pag ano, no?
Hindi ko gusto